Okay, let's set up our working desk on Unity here. As you can see here, this is the default layout for Unity, which comes after you install Unity. I'm sure it's the same by you as well. So first of all, I'm going to introduce you to the standard layouts made by Unity. Then I'll teach you how to create your own custom layout and to save it. Well, as you can see here, the default layout contains 1, 2, 3, 4 panes, which contains hierarchy, scene, game, inspector, project, and console tabs. Now to change the layout, you're gonna click on the window here. Then you're gonna select layouts. Then on the right side you will see the standard layouts made by Unity. You got 5 of them. I'm going to select 2 by 3 this time. Here you can see the scene and the game tabs are separated. They are not in one pane. They are in 2 panes here. And the hierarchy, project, and inspector tab are now taller. As you can see here, before it was the scene and game were in one pane here, and now they are separated. You can also change the size of the icon by moving this dot here like this, and here you don't have the console tab as well. To put the console tab, you just go click on the window tab here. You scroll down to the bottom, you will see the console. You're gonna click on that, and you got the console here. The next layout looks like also you can change the layout by clicking on the top right corner here. The next layout is for split, and it looks like this. This layout can be really handy if you want to have a 4 sides perspective view. You have the top, front, right, and perspective, your own perspective. As you can see here, if you right click on the scene here and you move the mouse around, the perspective, the text here will change to perspective, and if you do the same here, the top will change also to perspective, and here as well. To fix this, you're gonna just click on the text here, then you're gonna choose to what you want. You can click on right, you can change this to top, this to bottom, or whatever you want. Let's say this is right, this is actually left, this is right, and this is bottom. Yeah, I'll leave it bottom. And this one will be used to move around to your own view, to whatever you want to look like. The next layout looks like this. Also, we have seen the default, so we do not need to see it again. It was like this. The next one is tall. The tall layout actually makes the scene and the game pane look taller, and the inspector here as well. The hierarchy and projects are here in this column. Now the next and my favorite layout is wide. This is my favorite layout. I'm going to use this one, and as you can see here, the scene and the game are here wide. The hierarchy is placed here, the project is placed here, and the inspector is here placed. The inspector here is a bit taller because of the options. Now to make your own custom layout, all you need to do is just move around the tabs. You're gonna click on the tab like this, and you're gonna place it wherever you want. You can place it outside as well. Just minimize your window. You can place it, move it like outside here. It looks lovely like this. Also, you can move your hierarchy to next to project like this, if this suits you well. And you can also add your console. Click on window here on the bottom. You have console. You can put it like this, or maybe like this, or you can put it all in one pane here. You can resize it like this. You can do pretty much stuff. You can also make the game be in another place here. And now let's say this is your layout that you want. You're gonna do to save it. You're gonna click on Windows, Layouts, and Save Layout. Also, you can click on the top right corner here, and it says Save Layout. Once you click on Save Layout, you give the layout a name. I'm going to call this I don't want this layout. So now when you click on the layouts, you'll have this, your name. In my case is I don't want this layout. You just click on it and it will load your layout. Let's say I'm removing this like this and here, and I want to fix it back to what it was as it was in normal. You're gonna click on this and on the name of your layout. Now let's say you don't want this layout, you just want to remove it. You click on the layouts here, you select delete layout. Now you have a window which opens up all of the layouts here, and you just select the layout you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one. I'm gonna click on it, and there it goes. It deleted the layout I've been using. Now I'm gonna close the window, and here when I click on the layouts, the layout has been removed. And let's say if you want to revert the layouts to its factory settings, you're gonna click on this one here. It will tell you Unity is about to delete all Windows layout and restore them to the default setting. You click on continue, and it brings as it was after the installation. Now let's say you have deleted accidentally the 2x3 here, and you don't have the 2x3 here. You're gonna click on the revert factory settings. You're gonna click on continue, and the 2x3 here is back to what it was before. So I hope this helps you to adjust your own layout and to make you more comfortable to make your own game.